Hello everyone, this is Stephanie and I'm here to show you this product. I have to thank the people who sent this to me so I can try this product out, and I'm supposed to give them my honest opinion, and that is what I'm going to do. Okay, this is DureLife Birch Xylitol, and it is it's a sugar aftertaste free sweetener, granulated. So I did already try this in my tea, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is a 5 pound bag, and it is keto friendly, has no carbs, supports dental health, and low glycemic index. That's what it's saying. Anyhow, I'm going to try it out. I definitely can use something that tastes like sugar to me, but I don't have that aftertaste. So I'm going to give it a try. This is the second time I'll be trying it because I did try it yesterday in my tea. So I got a cup of tea right here, and I'm going to open it up. And if you could see, it does look like sugar. Looks like sugar right there. It does look like sugar. I'm going to put some, well, yesterday I had like 3 of them in here. So I'll try 3 again today. 1, 2. I like things that taste sweet. So if this is good for me, and and I get that sweet taste I like without the calories, without the sugar and the carbs and all that kind of stuff, then it should work out well for me. So here it is. That's it. That's the tea. So this is the tea. I'm going to give it a taste. It has plenty of lemon in it, and I put 4 in, but I mean 3 in. I'm going to put 1 more in because yesterday my cup was smaller. I'm going to put 1 more in. Oh, and by the way, this is like 1 for 1. So if you would use a cup of sugar, then you would use a cup of this. So to give you the taste that you want. It's good for bacon and all that kind of stuff. But here we go. I'm going to give it another taste. I really want you to see my face because I don't like things that don't taste good. And actually, it is good. It tastes sweet to me, and I don't have any aftertaste. So it's all good. And I'm going to finish my tea, guys. So if you're looking for a sweetener, then you might want to give this a try, because I'm telling you right now, I don't taste any aftertaste. I'm going to close this up. Resealable. I don't taste any aftertaste on here, and I'll be the first one to tell you that I do. So if you need this kind of a sweetener, check it out.